Hey guys, today we're looking at my 4-tier heavy-duty shelves. These things are awesome, have a ton of cool features. Let's go ahead and check them out.
It comes packed really nicely so everything gets to you in great shape and undamaged. Included is a very clear and easy to read instruction guide. Assembling this is super simple and takes no time, and all the tools you need are included. You start at the bottom building the outline of the frame, including the side supports. You just use the provided hardware to bolt everything together. Then you tighten everything down with the provided tools. Next, you snap in the protective feet that go on the top and bottom. Now you will slide in the brackets that hold the shelves. You can set these anywhere you want depending on what you plan to store, and you can adjust them in 1.5-inch increments. Included are pins that will keep the shelves locked in. Once you have the brackets where you want them, you will simply place the heavy-duty metal shelf pieces where you want to create your shelf. You also get these brackets that allow you to secure it to the wall. So prior to getting these shelves, I had all these small toolboxes and bags along with a bunch of trailer tires that were just cluttering up my garage and just didn't look very nice.
I really like how this is so heavy-duty. It's made 100% high-quality steel with reinforced steel beams, so it's super durable and can hold a lot of weight without bending. Also, with a rust-proof surface, you don't have to worry about putting wet items on like you do with wood shelves that warp when they get wet. And you can move these shelves around wherever you need to accommodate various different types of items. They're adjustable in 1.5-inch increments. And this shelf will work great in a garage, kitchen, laundry room, or storage area. As you can see, this shelf is super wide at 75 inches, allowing you to store 4 standard-sized storage bins right next to each other. And it's 24 inches deep and 69 inches tall. And it can hold 1,000 pounds of shelf, or 4,000 pounds total. This shelf is just awesome. It looks great and it's really heavy duty, and I can store all my gear with room to spare.
Overall, I'm really impressed with this shelf.